What's the meaning of board game? Board game. Board game.
Board game. Board game. A board game is a type of game that is played on a flat surface, typically made of cardboard or plastic, that has a pre-designed playing area. These games can often involve the use of cards, dice, or other game pieces, and are usually played by 2 or more players. The objective of a board game can vary greatly, from simple games of chance to complex strategy games. Board games have been enjoyed by people of all ages for centuries, and continue to be a popular form of entertainment today. Some examples of popular board games include Monopoly, chess, Scrabble, and Risk.